Welcome to the Ostorlab Remediation System walkthrough. This comprehensive guide is tailored to lead you through the essential steps, enabling you to efficiently navigate and leverage the system's multifaceted capabilities. Ostorlab provides remediation capabilities to fix the identified vulnerabilities urgently, diligently, and efficiently. These capabilities are managed through a ticketing system aggregating and pairing all vulnerabilities with a ticket. The remediation system can either be used as a standalone system or seamlessly integrated with third-party ticketing systems like Jira. The remediation system offers the following capabilities. First, the ticket lifecycle. Ostorlab automates the lifecycle of tickets linked to detected vulnerabilities. The ticket lifecycle provides the following capabilities and guarantees. A ticket is automatically created in the case of a newly detected security issue. The ticket details contain information about the vulnerability. And also, priorities are set automatically based on the vulnerability severity. The platform will aggregate future occurrences of the same vulnerability in the same ticket. Aggregation is done by ticket detail. For instance, all SQL injections will have a single ticket or an internal attribute called DNA that uniquely identifies each vulnerability. The DNA is computed based on the type of vulnerability to ensure it is uniquely identified. Tickets can be designated as resolved or addressed, indicating that the identified issues or tasks have been successfully rectified or completed. For fixed tickets, the platform will automatically mark the ticket as verified if the vulnerabilities are indeed absent from future scans, or will reopen the same ticket. Tickets can be marked as an exception or as a false positive. Accepted and false positive tickets are kept as is when new occurrences of the same vulnerability are found. A ticket has multiple settings to reflect urgency, priority, ownership, or ease of searching and filtering. All edits to a ticket are tracked in the activity section to see who did what and when. The ticket has a priority setting from P0 to P3. P0 is the most urgent, and P3 is the least urgent. A manually created ticket will have a reporter. In addition, you can assign an owner who typically ensures the vulnerabilities are fixed. You can assign a ticket to an existing user already part of the organization, or to an external email address. If the email address is not on the platform, it will receive an invitation to join the organization. Only an admin can approve the organization's invitation. To do that, you can go to Organization, Invitation section. Once the user creates an account and has his invitation approved, he will be automatically assigned the tickets. Tickets can have multiple tags assigned. A tag has both a name and a value. Separating of tag names and values enables adding extra meaning to the ticket. For instance, adding environment tag with values like prod, QA, and test, or adding work stream tag with values like feature X, feature Y. Setting the value is not obligatory as names only are acceptable. The remediation sections offer multiple search capabilities. Searching is done by specifying a supported keyword mapped with the search value. Supported keywords are: search by priority, values are P0 to P3. Search by ticked status, values are open, reopen, fixed, fixed verified, exception and false positive. Search by assigned email address or reporter email address. You can also search by the Boolean shortcut to find tickets assigned to you or reported by you. Values are true and false. Search by tag name and tag value. Search by creation, modification, starting and ending dates. The remediation offers organization-wide collaboration. Everything within an organization is accessible and visible to all members of the same organization. This includes scan access, vulnerability data access, ticket data access, etc. Collaboration on tickets can be done using the comments section. Comments can be updated or deleted. A trace of the action is recorded in the activity section. If you can't share some data across multiple teams, you can create dedicated organizations to confine all interactions within the same organization. This typically applies when an application is built by an external third party while other applications are built internally. To do that, navigate to your dashboard and click Settings to expand, then choose Access. Click Add Organization, and fill in the organization informations. To add a user, click on the three dots and choose Add User option. And fill the user email. Also, one of the 5 pillars of autonomous security is policies. There are several policy types, like patching policy to define when vulnerabilities of different severity are fixed. Freshness policy to define how outdated or old can be of software or hardware be running on production. Enforcement policy to define under what conditions can a dangerous system be quarantined or disconnected. These are just samples of remediation policies. At this stage, Ostorlab only supports setting and enforcing the patching policy. Patching policy defines slow, service-level objectives to handle confirmed vulnerabilities and hardening recommendations. An example would be fixing a high-severity issue within 5 days. The policy is enforced by the ticketing system that compares ticket creation time with the highest vulnerability severity against defined policy. While ticketing helps manage the daily routines and ensure things are fixed and not dropped, they are insufficient to have a holistic look at how a security program is performing. For this reason, the ticketing system is complemented with a metrics and dashboard pillar, the 5th pillar of autonomous security programs. The metrics module collects several metrics that are either time-based, like count of high-severity issues, count of fixed issues, and global metrics, like reopen rate, % of secure assets, etc. These metrics are accessible in the organization dashboard. For a more in-depth understanding of all ticket-related metrics, please refer to the documentation available at the following link. To summarize, this guide served as a walkthrough of the Ostorlab Remediation system, offering essential steps for navigation and utilization, while highlighting its diverse capabilities.